Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel app. So today's topic is Countif. Likewise we have discussed about count and county topic in last video. Today we'll be using Countif function. Okay, so what is Countif? Countif function is nothing but it will count the cells that meet the single criteria. The criteria which you want to know, the particular criteria which you want to know, it will only shows us the result. So for this we will be using Countif formula. Count if brackets open range is this is the range from where you want to extract the answer, comma criteria is, so let's say I want to know the attendance of person 1 in of 7 days, how many days he has attended. So I will use inverted commas here, P for present, and I will close the brackets. See, 5 days he has attended. Likewise, if you want to know till person 8, you just need to drag down the cursor till here. Easy now. You can use Countif either in vertical way or horizontal way. You can use it both the ways. Let's say here we will be using for month wise, day wise, sorry, April 1st, 2nd, 3rd, how many people were present on April 1st, 2nd, 3rd. Here let's try with absentees, how many people were absent on April 1st. For this what we will do, Countif brackets open, select the range, comma criteria is absent A. Close the bracket. See, 2 people were absent on April 1st. Likewise you can copy the formula, just drag it here. See, these are the absentees in day wise, April 1st, 2nd, likewise till April 7th. That's another shortcut I want to make you people learn. Instead here, instead of tapping and all, you can simply do this thing. Countif, select the range, criteria is absent, right? Select the cell, just double click on it and press F9. See, easy, right? So now I will close the bracket. This will reduce your typing work and mistakes. So guys, this is what Countif is. In next class we will be discussing about Countifs. I hope you guys have liked this video. Please do subscribe to my channel Excel Up. Thanks for watching guys. Have a good day. Enjoy.